How to delete bot in Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete bot in Telegram. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Telegram application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply head over to your search bar and simply search in for bot father. So once you search in for that, make sure you tap on the verified one because other are spam. So just tap on this, and once you're inside here, you need to start it to generate the settings. And now you just need to enter the code, that is /mybots, to view all of the bots inside of your Telegram. And as you can see, currently I have no bots. So if you have any bots, you see all of the bots listed over here, and to remove or delete it. So here's an example, quick example for you to show. So if you have all of the listed bots available like this, you just have to tap on that particular bot and it should show you the following options. And you can see there is a delete bot option. So simply tap on that to delete it, and once you tap on that, it should show the final confirmation like yes, delete the bot, or if you want to go back to not deleting it, simply tap on that back to bot. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.